Okay, so I need to cook something for everybody tomorrow.
What should I do? Huh?
Thanks for joining us in camp today. My name is Kent Rollins, and we do a whole lot of that cowboy cooking here the right way, the old-fashioned way, and even the newfangled way. It is a little cloudy, drizzly, sort of chilly, dampish kind of day, so this recipe is going to fit to a T. It is a shepherd's pie, or also known as a cottage pie.
Hmm.
Traditionally made out of ground lamb.
Maybe. Ah, damn, it was just a dream. God damn, it's late. There we go. Well, cooking pie is not really my specialty, but I guess it wouldn't hurt to try. We shall deal with that though tomorrow. It's bound to become a very interesting day. Let's fucking do this. When the moon hits your eye. Okay, that's enough bullshit. Oh man, welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome back to Visk's kitchen. And today we are making shepherd's pie that I caught on a recipe yesterday while I was watching videos very late. Yeah, I guess you already caught on to that, but anyway, that's enough rumbling around and bullshit. Let's just fucking get onto it, you know? Okay, so as always, we gotta present the ingredients first. So, here we have some Worcestershire. We call it English sauce over here, but it's pronounced Worcestershire sauce. I don't fucking know. Some paprika, onion, some salt and garlic, some chili leaves, assortment, from seeds, some potato, onion, carrot, the beef, some peas in a can, couple of eggs, Parmesan cheese, some milk, and the special ingredient, some red wine, baby. That's what's up. For our tools this time, we're gonna be using a couple of pots, one to do the meat, one to do the potatoes, and a refractory. So because for the first time ever, we're gonna be using that oven. Yes, this is exciting. I don't even know how to use that thing. Anyway, for the tools, something to mix, something to smash, something to work, and something to serve and shit. This is actually a very special episode as well, because not only are we actually trying this for the first time, going in completely fucking blind, but also it's the first time we're actually gonna, use seasonings that we're, actually use some seasonings. Fuck yeah, let's go, bro. that's the end of the adventure. I think for a first try that came out really fucking well, huh? Shit, that looks like some gourmet. All right, guess I had my brother test it, and he says it tastes really fucking good. And well, if you follow the recipe, I hope you can enjoy it as well. Anyway, goodbye. Let's have a taste. Delectable. Delectable, if I do say so myself. And I say so!